Okay, so what I have here is a new fan that I got. It is a 17-inch portable USB mini ceiling fan that I hung on my Christmas lights. Here in my second bedroom, I put a switch for it right here. So I'm going to flick it on. Right, here's the airflow. Makes a little bit of a hum noise. Alright, there's the Celtic River. And there's the mainstays. And this Tuesday I might get another fan like this one to go right there where that light is. So it's gonna be a quick video. There's a 1-speed portable USB mini fan. There's a real quick spin down. Hope you enjoyed.